So, ano rin mo ba? Chapter 6? Okay, sige. Dito sa una, atong mag-memorize sa... Wala na lang ang puntong na. Dito na. Dito na. Okay. Dahil pagkatapos sa Psalms 23, bisan ano ka lang ang verse. Ma-recite ka. Ikaw, ma-recite ka sa putong sa talang verse mo, ha? Sige. Sige, verse. Okay. Kuha lang. Sige. Yan, nagkinig. Sige, Psalms 23. Sino ito mga forward ang memorize na. Dito. Kailan ka mo?
4.
4. Sige, go. Tuduhan yung tingog. Ready? Start.
Psalms 23, verse 1 to 6. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lay down in green pastures. He leads me beside still water. He restores my soul. He leads me in path of righteousness for His name's sake. Even though I walk through the valley of shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for You are with me. Your rod and Your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil, my cup overflows. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me